Classic, truly classic is the only thing we can say about this 1963 Chevrolet Corvette L76 Coupe. This is a beautiful car. This is the kind of car some people wait their entire lives to own. It's a very special car. It's a beautiful car, and you'll find very few ever like it again. Beautiful 63 silver exterior, code correct dark blue vinyl interior with a matching numbers 340 horsepower 327 cubic inch L76 engine. This car sports a 4-speed manual transmission, and features include power steering, AM/FM radio, and this car was originally assembled on August 1st, 1963. This is a survivor car. This survivor quality 1963 Corvette L76 Split Window Coupe appears to have never had a full restoration, and it is in very original condition in many places. The previous owner states that the car has only had one repaint. The paint looks to be newer and shows a great shine. Taillights are excellent. Correct style hubcaps are in place, and the vintage Pirelli P77 whitewall radial tires show an average depth of 12/30 seconds remaining. And on the interior of this 63 Corvette Split Window Coupe, everything you'll find is in great condition. The seats, the steering wheel, the gauges, the center console, and that glove box lid also in very good condition. The correct appearing AM/FM radio is in place, and as we said, the numbers matching engine in this car shows original casting date of July 18th, 1963, and final assembly date July 23rd, 63. All the information is there. This makes this car a true collector classic Corvette. So check it out here on our website with the great pictures. Come and see it in person. Give one of our sales representatives a call and find out more about this car at 770-414-5552. Remember, we always have 120 Corvettes in stock, and we have a wide selection of other very early and classic Corvettes. So give us a call. Come and take a look at our showroom. It's pretty much kind of like a small Corvette museum in itself. We're always glad to talk Corvettes with you here at buyavet.net. We hope to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. Give us a call. Hope to see you soon.